Hello, how is everyone doing today? I have quite a spontaneous video for you. Just the other day, I decided to order keycaps because keyboards are so much more expensive than what you would expect. So I thought I would order keycaps and then paint a design on them. And the design that I chose is my favorite Japanese character, which you can actually see in the background. And I wanted to design it based on some of the aspects or popular aspects of the show, and so you will see that in my designs. And then I just took a time lapse of me painting them, so hopefully it's therapeutic for some of you. What I used to paint my design is acrylic paint, which I already own from my canvas paintings. So I just tried that and it actually sticks pretty well. It doesn't come off and it doesn't peel off or anything like that. So I hope you enjoy this time-lapse video of me painting my keyboard. I was thinking of putting the character on one side of the spacebar and then have, this is the magic pocket that he has, and then the items or gadgets that he uses or that are more popular to be kind of flying out of that pocket there. So let us get started. hope you all enjoyed this video and like the final results. I love doing small DIY projects like this, so I hope you enjoyed watching me go through the process of it as well. I'm hoping to find more art projects like these because I've recently been into painting. I very much enjoyed filming the entire process, so I hope to do more projects like these in the future.